In an age where most office tech feels designed for planned obsolescence, a fleeting distraction before the landfill, it is a rare pleasure to encounter something built with purpose. A tool, not a toy. We are talking today about the maxtek dry erase whiteboard height adjustable, easel stand rolling whiteboard on wheels, and it is surprisingly an exception. Most whiteboards are static, cumbersome things, offering a single, often ghost-ridden surface. The maxtek, however, introduces a dual-track design. This is more than just an adjustable height mechanism. It is a system that allows you to effortlessly maneuver two full-size double-sided panels, giving you 4 distinct writing surfaces in the footprint of 1. Imagine an impromptu brainstorming session, no more frantically erasing vital notes, just to make space. You simply slide, flip, and continue. It is an intelligent engineering decision that transforms a simple tool into a genuine productivity asset, making even the most chaotic Tuesday morning feel seamless. The build quality here is substantial. This is not some flimsy aluminum frame that warps with the first enthusiastic diagram. The support structure is forged from 1.2mm thickened steel. It is dense, it is heavy, and it refuses to wobble. The center of gravity is precisely engineered, ensuring stability even at its full extended height. Its wheels are smooth, lockable, and handle the heft without complaint. The writing surfaces themselves boast a 3-layered baking finish, resisting scratches and ghosts with a resilience that suggests a lifetime of daily use. It is a functional piece of equipment that feels like it could outlast the building it sits in. Now, if I had to find a fault, and you know I always do, it would be the packaging. While clearly designed to protect this considerable investment during shipping, it is frankly overkill. Expect a bit of a wrestle to get it out of the reinforced box. But once you extract the actual product, that minor frustration quickly fades, eclipsed by the sheer quality of the hardware. Prices on Amazon are constantly in flux for these larger, more specialized items. I put the link below so you can check the current price.